additional knowledge and review, you must need to memorize and know that every 1 BTU we have 252 calories. For every 1 kilowatts we have 0.2085 refrigeration tons. For every 1 horsepower we have 0.746 kilowatts. So we can use this conversion to familiar with the capacity of your refrigeration that you have on board. So since I'm using Orifice number 04 and I'm using refrigerant 407C having 12.4 kilowatts. This 12.4 kilowatts have an equivalent value of 16.63 horsepower. Imagine 16.63 horsepower. In normal house air conditioning unit, for a small room we are using 0.5 horsepower, 1 horsepower, 2 horsepower, 3 horsepower, like that. And also we have here a 12.4 kilowatts having a BTU per hour value of 42,348, and we have also here 3.5 refrigeration tanner having 42,000 BTU per hour. Remember, in refrigeration and air conditioning unit we are using the BTU, the kilowatts, the horsepower, and the tanner value. Take note, the refrigeration tanner value for every 0.285 refrigeration tanner we have a value of 1 kilowatts. So normally this reference tanner value, this is very famous unit used in the split type air conditioning unit. If you have about more than 150 square meter, you can use at least 2 pieces of 2.5 tanner air conditioning unit.